get all of them in frame, even though I'm fully zoomed out. At 0.6.
Yeah, I should probably put it at 0.6. I haven't put it at 0.6 ever. I was still doing one zoom.
It's so fucking foggy out here.
Man, I wish I could show you behind us.
Yeah, we'll do it afterwards. We'll get an after view.
Batten down the hatches, boys.
Sweep the poop deck.
Sweep the poop deck. Batten down the hatches. Do whatever you can.
Kurt Cobain moment.
Dude, why are you so obsessed with Kurt Cobain?
Because Kurt Cobain moment.
Fair enough. Man, I'm sorry for all the shakiness and everything, man. I doubt this is the finale.
Yeah, they like to adjust on when the finale is.
Ah, big orange.
Boom. A lot of big booms.
Yeah, I was like 3 minutes late on starting recording, so this ain't even everything. It's the 4th of July! Your grandparents get 5 big booms! A little more than 5, but still 5 big booms.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I'm gonna get hit by a fucking car.
Ah!
Us.
It's still not the end!
Like I said, they like to adjust on when the finale is.
Ugh!
They never let us
It's
know.
red. Come on.
Boom. Boom, boom,
Can you
boom,
stop
boom.
doing red and do white or blue?
It's because the country's burning down to the ground.
You didn't even do what?
Cooking bacon out here.
Riley signaled that as the bacon cooker.
Yes, the bacon chicken. Come on, give us the finale. Yeah, why don't we record another 3-minute?
Is it what? I see like an airplane or something.
Nope, that's a drone.
Is it viewing this thing?
Yep, it's recording a video. Smiley fish. Hey, stop cooking bacon, bro.
Yeah.
Not the time to do that.
What he said. Quit cooking bacon. That's Riley's line. I will shout out Riley for
Bro,
that.
who the fuck has a block with a switch out there?
Just hear light singing.
Ayo.
Man, please end already. Honestly.
No, it's because I recorded a 3-minute video to deal with the end. And then it stopped so that I could post on my fucking story.
This ain't the end. I still hear more coming. Riley, look behind you. It's all illuminated.
Come on.
Yeah, honestly. Every time we've recorded a video, someone's walked right on this, right along here. You're doing too much.
No, they're doing the perfect amount.
I don't think I've been to a fireworks show for this long.
They got some blocks and switches down there, bro. Bacon! Please stop! Stop sizzling bacon.
Honestly, is this what the people of World War II heard?
World War II vets be screaming right now.
Is this what the people of World War II heard?
This is what they saw. Except that was the ground.
I still don't think this is the finale.
No. Earlier in the show, this was
It's headed straight for us. Run. Mine's already 7 minutes.
Yeah, I know. This is like the 5th time restarting. Trying to get a good snap story for when they do the finale.
This ain't it. This ain't it.
Finale.
Quit celebrating. It ain't it.
Just wait.
It ain't it, chat. Quit celebrating.
There they are.
Oh, who's firing the air? Who's firing the AR? Who's firing their AR, dog? I wish I could like set up a tripod out here.
I know. I wish I had a blanket out here. Because I'm just like,
Yeah, right. I'll do a quick pause, but Riley's just sitting there. He's just sitting there.
bring back the bacon.
There's a bacon. Shout out to Riley for that. That's a lot of white. There's the blue. We had red, white, and blue. I don't think this is the finale though. Mine's already almost 9 minutes.
I'm not. I thought you wanted to stay. Come on. You'll know when it's broken. I can't even fit that big.
Damn, I feel bad for whoever's grandpa's heart stopped during this. God, that firework was way too big, even on for camera.
Go to grandpa that just decide to bathe in the fireworks. But we all know.
Bacon.
Those
All right, Chad. This is gonna be my second time restarting this.
This was like my